Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. If Pundi X and Crypto News Dailies is something that interests you, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned every day for more crypto and Pundi X news. And if you want to learn more about Pundi X, you can actually go to my channel and check out my other videos, and so you can get caught up and more informed of what Pundi X is doing and what they already have and things that they're coming up with. But nonetheless, today we're going to be talking about Pundi X, a recap of February 2019. February has been a spectacular month for Pundi X, with 6 new partnerships ranging from Brazil, Holland, Spain to Canada, as well as new features introduced to the X phone. An X button that allows users to switch to dApps on the blockchain node at the press of one button. They also revealed the price of the X phone, which will retail for $599 US. And if you don't know what dApps are basically decentralized applications, and I'll make another video covering that as well. But it's just great to see that they're definitely helping mass adoption with their X phone, but as well as they're trying to help publishers and creators to be able to create dApps easier. Even if you're new to dApps, it's still, the process will be made a lot easier for you, kind of like a plug and play sort of thing. But anyways, we are also now listed on Bithumb. This is really great news, just because moving forward, liquidity is definitely going to be something that every crypto is going to need, because if you don't have any liquidity, then you're not able to exchange your tokens for whatever fiat currency you may need, and vice versa. You won't be able to get it at most exchanges, and that's why liquidity is very, very important, especially as the blockchain projects are begin or keep developing themselves little by little. Definitely liquidity is what we really need, at least at the moment. But so far, everything is so good. And as well as Pundi X also attended the Tech Hub in Dubai as guest speakers. And this is pretty great because a lot of new companies and a lot of investors and potential partnerships attend these to see potential newcomers in said industries, tech industries. And there was over 6,000 attendees at Tech Hub to come to listen to Pundi X talk. So I think that's pretty great. Definitely getting more and more attention on Pundi X, as we can see, and there's also definitely a lot of more eyes on it. As well as they announced the accelerated unlock token for NPXS and NPXSM holders, which basically they were supposed to do this up to 2021, but due to regulatory issues, they have actually pushed the unlock tokens to last 3 months, starting today actually. And today's also good thing to note is that today's when you'll be able to stake your tokens for Function X. So if that's something you want to do, make sure you download the X wallet, put some Pundi X, and you should be ready to go. But wow, this has truly been an amazing month. Like, this was all done in 1 month. So as we can see, we're definitely growing at a faster pace, and not just us, but the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. And it's just amazing to see what we were able to accomplish in just 1 month. Just imagine what we'll be able to accomplish in the coming year that's gonna come, in the coming 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Like, it's definitely growing faster than I believe a lot of people expected at this point. But anyways, that does it for this video. If you guys like the information I bring you, if you like my videos, again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave any comments you may have, any suggestions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.